Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about neuropeptide Y. Neuropeptide Y has 36 amino acid and it is related to pancreatic peptide. It is secreted in brain and secreted by brain and in autonomic nervous system. It will activate the vasoconstrictor effects of norepinephrine. It activates the vasoconstrictor effect of norepinephrine. It increases with severe exercise. Increased in severe exercise. So in hypothalamus, it increases the appetite. Okay, so these are the important points about neuropeptide Y. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.